So today we're up here on this cold December day. Going to talk a little bit about what we prefer to use here at Midwest Solar Power for our attachments. This is an Ironridge flashing, so it goes underneath the shingles, underneath 2 layers of shingles actually. You can see I've pre-drilled and put sealant in my hole that I pre-drilled. This flashing is going to go up underneath that course and then even up underneath the course above that to provide protection against water intrusion. The point of attachment where the screw goes is raised off of the roof deck, and this is all sealed and welded, and then we'll thread on our L-foot on top of that. Some installers have gone to using products like Quick Bolt that is not a true flash system. It just has a small disc that covers the penetration and doesn't go up underneath the shingles. Our main concern with that is really thermocycling. Here in Wisconsin we have really cold temps, really hot temps, and that might be an okay solution for places like California, but around here we think it's better to use the flashing. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this guy up underneath the shingles there. I'm going to make sure that my holes are lined up. Alright, and here we've got our stainless steel lag screw with an EPDM washer, stainless steel and EPDM washer on top. Go ahead and pop that guy in and lag it down. You can see the washer is compressed, and like I said, everything's raised up off the roof deck there. Goes up underneath those extra courses of shingles, and then for extra added protection, the L-foot actually goes right over the top here. So we twist it on, you hear that click, and now we've got a nice flashed waterproof system. We've been installing these flashings for somewhere around 8-9 years and haven't had any leaks. We feel really confident in the product. That's why we choose to pay more for this product than to go with a less expensive product, unflashed product that's typically easier to install for the installer, but we choose to take the extra time and work and install a product that we believe in. All right, thanks guys, have a good one.